왜 뭐? 안녕 뭐? Okay. Hello guys and welcome back again to my another video. And here in this video I'll be unboxing one sack of stuff or vegetable which was sent down by my mom today, and I'll be unboxing with my videographer and my one of my another the one who's going to throw the set of vegetable. So let's start. Throw the vegetable now. Come on, 1, 2, go. Yeah, this is it, and let's start. And first of all, let's unbox this together. So I'm unfolding the knot. whatever may be the English, I'm just doing what I like. So first of all, here the first which come from this sack is this black plastic. I don't know what is it, so let's go unbox it. You can turn this if you can see this. Oh, this consists of two plastic. Let's go. I don't know, it's been so long I haven't posted, and today's another new video I post. Oh yeah, this is it. This is buffalo meat. Well, that is what we call beef, right? This is buffalo meat. Wow. And not only that, this is it. This is the first unboxed stuff, and this is the meat. Thank you so much for sending us the meat. After a long time we'll be having this meat. And let's go next. Up next we have jurai. This is called jurai. I don't know in English. This is very long and used to be very tasty if we make it boil. The length is this much. It used to be more longer than this, but fine. Usually this is cabbage. We have pumpkin already out. It's very nice, very green, very clean, very fresh. And next we have, wow, up next we have squash leaf. The gosa azah, we used to cook gosa azah, and this is used to be very tasty. We'll be doing this for boil again. This is chunu. Okay, can you see this? One round for each and every one of them. No. And this is this is also meat, dry meat. Okay. Not only that, we have up next we have beans. Where shall I put? Up next we have cabbage. Where shall I put? These also beans. This is squash already. Let's take out everything. Oh, these are all squash now, and this is called you try. 3 tomato. This is all mature. and that's all. Once again, you please show each and every of the item which we're gonna have tonight. Please show one. You can come closer and show it to the audience. Yes, but don't be too close. This is beans. This is junu ganam. What maram used to go. This is squash that I don't know goes was. And this is pumpkin. And this is dry meat. This is cabbage. This is junu. Jurai. This is lastly meat. And this is not lastly meat. This is cabbage again. This is squash again. And thank you for watching till the end. I hope you guys have a watering mode tonight.